Today's math lesson is on converting mixed unit measurements and solving multi-step word problems. In order to solve these problems, they will have to either multiply or divide fractions, depending on what the problem says, and they will have to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. We are going to do number 2 from their orange book, homework, lesson 20. 4 members of a track team run a relay race in 165 seconds. How many minutes did it take them to run the race? First in this problem, step 1, you will have to determine and have memorized that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And the students need to record that and write that down. The next thing they will need to do is figure out how many minutes there are in 165 seconds. So they will take the whole, step 2, take the whole and put it over 1. Next, they will decide what they're multiplying by. Are they multiplying by this 60? Is it going to be 60 over 1 or 1 over 60? That's what they have to determine next. Since we are trying to figure out how many minutes there are in 165 seconds, we're going from seconds to minutes. The unit is getting bigger, seconds to minutes. So we want to divide. So that means we're going to multiply times 1 over 60. So when we do top times top and bottom times bottom, we're going to be dividing by 60. So now at this point, we must turn this into a mixed number. Well, we know that 60 times 2 is 120, and 60 times 3 is 180. So that's too big. So we do know that there's going to be 2 wholes. And then we know that there will be 45 left over after you subtract, and the denominator stays the same. We have to simplify this even more. And if you were to divide by 15, top and bottom, you would get 2 3/4. And that would be your answer to how many minutes would be in 165 seconds.